We have a very clear mission, which is to make HR easy, as simple as that. And our vision is HR in one click or one step or one touch, I would say. That is really what is keeping us awake at night, metaphorically speaking, but also positively speaking, and keeping us motivated to get out of bed every single morning. And that's why we work day and night to create innovative, creative services and products, not only help our clients to do more with less, but also it challenges the status quo and the traditional approach to HR, basically. The very second thing of a cause we have made locally. So what we basically do, we develop our own tools, our own models, our own frameworks. We do believe that we need to align our products and services to the global standards, but also we do believe that we need to have the local touch. Just because we have our own local nature, we have our own culture, our own beliefs, system, norms, trends, challenges, and so on. And that's why we're very proud to say that all of our services is made in-house by the team itself. Whether the products and services, tools, models, approaches, or the technology itself. My mission is simply I am the captain of the ship, basically. I need to make sure that we reach the destination, though we don't believe this is a destination, it's a journey basically. So I am basically the custodian of this mission and vision of the company.
To achieve the company vision and mission, my mission is to ensure the readiness of the technology and the adaptation of the latest technology and trends.
My role at Extra Miles is to develop and implement solutions which fits to the needs of our clients. During the implementation, my main focus is the quality of our work and to do adjustments based on the feedbacks of the clients.
I make sure our clients get the support they need from first call to final result.